Out here in the quiet hills of Berry Creek, California, lies a piece of land that's more than just acreage. It's a place of stories, strength, and second chances. This 500-acre spread, known once as Camp Okizu, was a safe haven for kids and families facing some of life's hardest battles. It was a place for healing and a little bit of hope. Now, the land may have been touched by the Bear Fire in 2020, but it's got spirit that just won't quit. Nature's resilience shows in every tree and every trail. What's left here has the bones for something special, whether that's bringing back its legacy as a camp, shaping it into a retreat, or creating a private sanctuary in the heart of Northern California. With cabins, open fields, and quiet paths, there's room here for anything you can dream. Picture summer nights under the stars, the hush of the pines, and the peace you feel when you're miles away from the noise. If you're looking to bring new life into this place and be part of its story, get in touch with us at California Outdoor Properties. Out here, you'll find more than just land. You'll find a place with a past and a whole lot of promise.